Hi friends, welcome my Excel solving channel. Today I will try to solve another problem. Okay, let's do the start. In here some number included by comma. I need to separate those numbers and then sum or average or maximum or minimum. So let's do the start. Equal text split. In syntax text means this cell, then column delimiter. Column delimiter, that means separated by comma. Okay, enter. Then I will use some function. Calculated total quantity, অর্থাৎ summation of every number. Okay, then I will calculate average. If I need maximum, then max. If I need minimum, then min. Okay friends, if you are happy in my video, then click like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.